I like to think of the course homepage as an interactive table of contents. I try to put not too much content directly on the page, but I link to it. You click on things on the page, takes you to the content, you come back to the course homepage. Now, by default, you get this kind of structure, and think of it like 14 containers on the shelf. That's our default setting because a lot of the academic classes have like 13 or 14 weeks. You can have as many as you like. I think it goes up to 52. So the first thing I want to do is I want to put some labels on the containers on the shelf so I know what's in there. So I'm going to go up to Turn Editing On, and a couple of ways. Now this is, see, topic 1, topic 2. There's a topic 0 that in certain formats is always there. I'm going to edit that section, and I'm going to make it a custom. Got to click that to allow you to put some text in here, and I'm going to say welcome to, got to spell it right, aquatic cryptozoology. Thank you. And let's see, I'm going to have in topic 1, my topic 1 is going to be about the biology of sea monsters. So I could edit the topic and go that way. Here's a shortcut. Click on that. Biology of sea monsters. Click enter when finished. There it is. Topic 2 is psychology of sea monsters. Topic 3, mythology. Oh, I hit the caps lock. Monsters. And then I think I need topic 4, which is, I'm just going to call it final project. Let me do it the other way. Edit topic, uncheck the custom, and call it final project. Anything I put in this summary is also going to show up on the course homepage. So you can put stuff in there, but be concise. Okay, so I don't need all these other topics. I could edit and delete them. You know what, in this format, that's probably the easiest way to go, is just to delete one at a time. But this is not the only format that you can use. There's lots of other possibilities. So this is called topics format. If I go up to the course level and I go into edit settings, and let's close that, course format. There's a whole bunch of things to choose from, topics, weekly, but there's actually more. Those are the built-in ones. A lot of our Moodle courses are done in a format called collapsed topics, and this is where I can say, you know what, I only need 4 of those. I'm going to arrange them vertically so they're stacked one on top of the other. I'm going to use an arrow to open and close. Let's just see what it looks like. Okay, let me turn off editing so you can see what the student's going to see. So I just open the section that I'm working on and then close it. So that's not a bad format. What's another format that we like to use? Edit settings, close the general, close the description, open course format. One topic is kind of interesting. Then you get all of your topics as like tabs across the top, and you can jump around. You've still got topic 0 in this format. Let's try another one. Edit settings, close that, open course format. How about tiles? What does tiles do? I don't know, let's find out. Oh, so now I get, a section where it opens my biology section, it opens my mythology. So it's kind of just opening a section at a time. That's a nice look. Back to edit settings, close, tiles format. What else is good? Grid format, kind of related. Ignore all these settings. You can read about them later. Same thing, I get the section pops up, whatever the content is in that. I'm going to put us back to collapsed topics, because that's, I find, one of the most useful ones, collapsed, especially if I've got a lot of stuff. It saves a lot of scrolling. Okay, so I'm ready. I've got my 4 sections. I've got a basic course structure. I'm ready to put some stuff into my course. Turn editing on, and I start to add things. I can add things to topic 0. I can open biology of sea monsters. I can add all sorts of activities or resources to this container within my course.